These two have had it far too easy. A 1965 Ferrari 275 GTB and a 1962 Maserati Sebring 3500 GTI. They're not investments, they're Italians, built for noise, heat,
Oh, I'm sweating. I'm glad we don't Hillclimb this.
and for being driven on the limit. So today we're doing that one thing that will make a collector's heart stop. We're taking these Italians to Prescott Hillclimb. It's narrow, it's unforgiving, and if I get this wrong, it's going to be a very expensive mistake. So let's see how they like that for a change. Alrighty, let's hit the road then.
We're gonna have plenty of cars there. This is the list. Ferrari, Lamborghini, the Tommaso, Pantera. So in total will be 88 cars. Okay, here we go.
To get to Prescott, we've got a 2 hours drive ahead of us.
Let's see that. This has a 3.5 liter engine. Woo! 6 cylinders. Oh, you wanna see something cool? Look. Electric windows. And it has AC as well.
But halfway there, the Maserati stopped pulling, and for a second, I thought I'd broken it.
I don't know if I ran out of gas, but in that roundabout, it didn't want to accelerate at all.
Well, it wouldn't be the first time I've got myself into panaprostry. Been there, done that. I've never been so excited to see a petrol station in my life.
The seatbelt is stuck. Okay, well, anyway. Okay, how I turn on the AC is the question. That? No. All right, here we are. Let's see which one handles better on the hill, the Maserati or the Ferrari.
Since you haven't driven it, I should take it only first and second.
Hi!
Now you've got to scare him. That's the
No, don't give her any encouragement.
video's up.
Very good. Woo! The backslide is a little bit.
Get that tires on the dragon's teeth. Especially there. I hate this corner.
Yeah, me too. Woo! Lovely sound.
Well done.
Yeah, I haven't driven this car. Should
well,
have
I
give
shall-
more revs, but I didn't want to burn the clutch. I didn't smell any clutch.
Don't.
I didn't smell any clutch.
No, you didn't. You did better than me, actually.
Oh, that felt easily on the hill.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure to drive it.
But what about the Maserati?
Okay, now we're waiting to go on the hill with the Maserati. Look at that. Look at the engine. It's hard work with it, isn't it?
It slides around.
Yeah.
Don't go too well.
Wasn't that hard work or what?
I'm glad we don't hill climb this.
Hard work with this. God, I'm sweating.
I don't know how you managed it.
But I'm building the muscles. I ate spinach yesterday. Good.
He might not have been as agile as Dulce, but Corto definitely gave everything he had. And honestly, for a Grand Tourer on such a technical hill climb track, I think he did brilliantly. Definitely deserves a pat on the dash.
Oh, that was fun. But
It's all over the place.
it's hard work with it.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? The Ferrari was much better handled.
Yeah.
The car was all over the place. The tyres, I think the tyres are very old.
Now, let's go and look at some Italian cars.
Okay. Was actually interesting cars to see on the hill, but of course it's a shame to actually trash, I believe, such cars. A Ferrari, it's made to go fast, but I think I prefer for this one these cultural rallies and just to keep this Grand Prix car for this. But it was a great experience when I enjoy taking the Sebring as well on the hill. It makes a difference. I think the GTB is absolutely brilliant. It feels so light in the corners. We try a quick start with this and you could smell the clutch. So I don't want to damage or anything. So I just took it slowly. But yeah, it was fun. Listen. Oh. Woo! I love it. one there.
What a day. We pushed them, we heard them scream,
Missing! Woo!
and most importantly, we'll bring them home in one piece. But the glamour ends here. It's time to get these Italians back into their warm garages because we've got different kind of royalty waiting for us on the ramp. My cheap Rover P4 is still waiting for its first drive, so next time we're back on the tools because Auntie No needs a special tool build just to get her moving again. It's going to be greasy, it's probably going to be frustrating, but it's definitely going to be fun. So if you want to see whether Auntie actually makes it onto the road, make sure you're subscribed.